It all started when I realized you could create anything once you have the power and understood the computer language. It's like magic and it's beautiful. This got me interested in mobile, web apps, AI development, and automation. I learned through videos, mostly on Udemy and YouTube. Content here will be about me cloning most of the popular applications in the world right now, both mobile and then web app applications. I'll clone them, push them to GitHub so that you guys can pick it up and then use it for your works. I'll also be going online, searching online for UI designs that I can transform them into actual codes, push them to GitHub so that you guys can give me your reviews on that side. And I'll be very, very glad if I will get designs from you guys, UI designs, complex, simple from you guys. Challenge me so that I can build this UI designs and then get response from you guys. We'll also be automating on this platform, whereby we'll be using Python to do a lot of automating scripts. And above all, having fun is a must on this YouTube channel. Subscribe to this interesting content and turn on the notification icon so you'll be the first to know whenever we upload